So, defining the whole look of a movie, the decisions of the production designer can range from the period detail of a very small prop to the appearance of an entire street.
The nominees for Best Production Design in Film or TV Drama are
Ray Ball, Saving the Titanic. Tom Conroy, Titanic, Blood and Steel. Stephen Daly, Love, Hate. Mark Geraghty, Ripper Street.
And the IFTA this evening goes to Mark Geraghty for Ripper Street.
Wow, thanks very much. As we all know, heads of departments don't work alone. They have a fantastic team around them. I had one of the best teams I ever worked with on Ripper Street, and I want to share this with them. Thank you very much. Yeah.